In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Skinny Up discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Skinny Up discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retrieve.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this 10% discount off, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that 10% discount. Also, we have this website which is called Technology. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 5% discount, which is also verified, all you need to do right here is select get this code, and this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you will get that 5% discount on SkinUp. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.